Welcome back. One of the biggest changes we all experienced in 2020 was the way we eat. So many of us are no longer dining in at restaurants. We learned to rely on takeout food and, of course, cooking in our own home. Real Simple Food editor Betty Gold shares what food trends we can expect in the coming year.
I think that the pandemic has totally changed America's relationship with food, especially when it comes to cooking at home and cooking every single meal at home. One big food trend I envision for 2021 is as a result of having, a little bit more time in the morning. We're still working remotely. We don't have to commute. We can wear sweatpants all day. We have a little bit more time to focus on breakfast. And that's very new for many of us. And so I think that this year people are going to start having Sunday brunch on a Tuesday, for instance. I think that people are going to be getting more ambitious with the types of dishes that they're making. In 2021, it's going to be all about comfort food. Everyone is kind of looking for really, indulgent, delicious dishes that make them feel comfy and warm inside. Nostalgic foods have really taken off. We're also seeing a lot of Americans trying to cook things that they would probably have otherwise only ordered in restaurants that are, kind of indulgent dishes like French fries. They're doing it from scratch, chicken parm, just like these hearty comfort foods that you probably only used to order when you ate out. So, obviously 2020 was a heavy drinking year for many of us. When 2020 has rolled around, people are kind of reevaluating their habits. And while I don't think that anyone is totally prepared to go cold turkey, I would say that there is a pretty large scale, what I call sober curious movement going on. So I'm seeing a ton of new low alcohol, low sugar wines on the market, and lots of people making low alcohol cocktails at home. I think that, this hard seltzer thing is not going anywhere. We're just going to see more and more of these. I think that this is already kind of on the outs, but I think any kind of fad diet, if it sounds too good to be true, it definitely is. Be wary of any product that seems too good to be true, because it probably is. A candy bar is still a candy bar, whether or not it's plant-based.